What if you could design a complex resource planner in just a few minutes simply by describing what you need? No coding, no manual setup. Just tell Monday.com's new AI tool, Monday Vibe, what you want and watch it build your app right in front of you. Today, I'm going to walk you through how Monday Vibe, currently in alpha, can transform a simple prompt into a fully interactive resource planning tool with calendars, Gantt charts, workload tracking, and even smart task recommendations. Monday Vibe is one of the most exciting features we've seen in years. It allows you to go beyond standard boards and dashboards by building entire apps directly from prompts. Think of it like telling your system what you need: resource planning, scheduling, reporting, and Vibe automatically turns that idea into reality. In this tutorial, we'll use Monday Vibe to build a resource planner that visualizes team availability, highlights conflicts, and suggests the best person for each task. To begin, I typed out exactly what I wanted Vibe to build. Use the people, status, and date columns from my board. Show a calendar of team availability over the next 30 days, and color code by status. Add a Gantt chart for task assignments with drag and drop capabilities and overlap detection. Include a summary widget showing total hours available versus total hours needed. Suggest the best team member for each open task based on skills. Allow filtering by department. And finally, include a button to export everything as a PDF. Now, that's a lot for any system to handle, but Vibe breaks it into phases, building the board, adding the widgets, and then layering on advanced functionality. As soon as I clicked Build It, Vibe started working. It told me step by step what it was doing, like setting up the board structure, creating the resource planner dashboard, and generating widgets. This transparency is really helpful because you can see exactly how it's translating your ideas into code. Within minutes, I had a working prototype, complete with a summary of hours available, percent utilization, capacity warnings, and department workload charts. The prototype included a team overview widget, smart task matching to assign unclaimed work, and cards showing each team member's capacity. On the board itself, you can see project details, who's assigned, current status, priority, due dates, estimated hours, departments, and skills required. Vibe populated dummy data to help preview the flow, and from there, I could test how tasks moved between team members and how the planner updated in real time. Next, I asked Vibe to add a Gantt chart. This step builds visual timelines, color-coded statuses, drag and drop reassignment, and overlap detection. The system went through quality assurance, and although it hit some limitations during the build, it eventually generated a live Gantt chart that displayed task timelines and capacity issues. Once published, I could see how assignments stacked up against deadlines, making it easier to spot conflicts across the team. One of the coolest parts of Vibe is that you can continue prompting even after your app is live. I asked it to allow inline editing of task hours directly from the Gantt chart. While this specific request didn't fully succeed, it shows just how much flexibility the platform has, and how quickly you can iterate to refine your app. Because Vibe is still in alpha, not every feature will work perfectly, but even now, it's powerful enough to save team hours of manual setup. Just think about what this means for your resource planning. Instead of manually building capacity dashboards, running reports, and juggling spreadsheets, now you can simply tell Monday Vibe what you want. And it generates the foundation in minutes. That means project managers can spend less time configuring and more time making real decisions about workload, hiring needs, and delivery timelines. Even in alpha, this tool shows us the future of AI-powered work management. If you'd like to see how Workflow Magic can scope and design a resource planning solution for your team, whether that's using Monday Vibe or other advanced Monday.com tools, book a discovery call with us using the link below. We'll review your current setup, uncover bottlenecks, and build a solution that scales with your team.